and welcome again to Annie's Angle and Annie's Kitchen. Today we're making retro meatloaf. That's right. You know, meatloaf is done so many ways. There's so many variety of ways to do it, but I like this way. So come on into my kitchen, but before I tell you what you're going to need, grab a cup of coffee. Did you make your coffee? Oh, gotta have my coffee. Well, this is the way I make it, and I've liked this way through the years. There's nothing better than hot meatloaf with hot mashed potatoes and peas or your favorite vegetable. I like peas with this. I really do. And a salad on the side. Ooh, what else could you ask for, right? So I buy organic chopped meat, organic ground beef. This is a pound. I'm only going to use a pound today because it's just my husband and myself for dinner. And this is from my garden. This is beautiful, my arugula. I love arugula. I'm going to chop arugula in there. I'm going to chop some parsley in there. This is little tomatoes from my garden. I'm going to chop those in there. Some red onion, organic red onion. 1 egg. Now, if I had more meat, I would put 2 eggs in. But I'm just going to put 1 egg in there. I'm going to top it off with organic tomato sauce and Worcestershire sauce. I'm going to use, I love this Worcestershire sauce. I'm going to pour that in the meat and that. I'm going to season it with a little spike and adobo. And of course you got to have garlic. So I'm going to use two cloves of minced garlic. So come on into my kitchen and let's make retro meatloaf. Ooh. So, and you know, it's really good because you can meal prep meatloaf, which is really good because sometimes you're in a hurry and you say, what am I going to have for dinner? You got it right there. So come on into my kitchen and let's cook. Okay, I put my meat there, and I like this beef. It's organic rancher. It's 93% lean. It's really nice. I like this. I got that in Whole Foods. So I put that in my pan. Now I'm going to add my tomatoes and 1 egg. Put that there, and some onions. I love red onion in my salad. My organic arugula, parsley, my organic garlic, a dash of spike all over, and a dash of adobo, and of course Worcestershire sauce. I'm going to wash my hands, and I'm going to mix that by hand. So I'm going to mix this all up. I just washed my hands, and we're going to mix that all up, all together with the egg in there. And you really need to use your hands. Some people say, oh, you know, you can't. You have to use your hands. And you want to just mix that all around till everything is mixed really, really well. See? You can see how nicely it looks. And I like this kind because it has the vegetables in it, and it's healthy as well. Some people make it with ground turkey. I like beef. I really do. And I may add just a few more onions in there. Mix that all around. It really smells good. It smells nice too, which is what I like. Now I'm going to add it to my pan. Get this out of the way. And I like it in this kind of pan, my Pyrex. You're going to put it right in there. Really nice all around. I love the Worcestershire sauce. I like the smell of Worcestershire sauce, don't you? And we're going to add our tomato sauce all on top. And I'm going to put it in 350 for about 45 minutes. Just generously Worcestershire sauce all around. And there you have it. We'll come back and taste it. So it's done. And And I'm telling you, the smell in this room is wonderful. I'll let you see, it's hot, so it came out perfect. It was in the oven for about an hour and 20 minutes, till it's perfection. Isn't this look beautiful? But really, I can't wait to have it with peas and mashed potatoes and a salad on the side. But I'm going to try it for you now, and I'll let you know how it is. So, did you make yours? You can try it with me. It's delicious. Everything came together, all the vegetables, the spices, the Worcestershire sauce, the tomato sauce. So, make yours and let me know how it is. Subscribe to my channel, and thank you for those who have subscribed to my channel. I really appreciate it. Like this video. Come again, we'll be cooking up a storm. And this old-fashioned retro meatloaf, what can I say? It's delicious. And your family will love it. And as I say, you can meal prep it. I can freeze this and take it out on another day and say, you know what? This is what we're having, meatloaf. So you can do that as well. So come again and enjoy your day. Thanks for stopping into Annie's Angle. Bye for now.